banking. What is it and why is it useful? Well, online banking is the act of conducting your banking needs over the internet using a computer or mobile device, as opposed to visiting a branch in person. One of the biggest conveniences online banking provides is that it allows you to conduct your banking at a time most convenient for you, not just during your normal business hours. Many of the things you do in person can also be done online, like opening an account, paying bills, transferring funds, depositing checks, and verifying transactions and account balances. Let's dive into Bay State Savings Bank online banking platform and take a look at some of the things you can do. For our bank, you'll need to start by heading to baystatesavingsbank.com. If you're a customer, you can register for online banking, which is both fast and easy. Looking at the website homepage, you'll see a box in the upper right-hand corner where you can enter your username. Right below it, you'll see the word Register. Simply click Personal or Business, depending on your account type, and follow the steps. If you've already registered, type in your online banking username, then hit Log in. Next, you'll need to enter your password. At this point, you may need to answer some security questions to help us ensure that the person attempting to log into your account is actually you. Once you've answered the questions, click Submit, and you'll be on your online banking homepage in no time. You can do so many things with your online banking account, like transfer funds, pay bills, and sign up to receive e-statements. Let's take a closer look. Transferring money has never been easier thanks to online and mobile banking. You can literally transfer funds no matter where you are. To transfer money, start by clicking the Transfers tab on the top of the page. You'll see 4 options: Payments and Transfers, Transfer Activity, Unlinked Accounts, and External Accounts. To transfer, click the Payments and Transfers tab. Head to the drop-down that says Create/Edit a Transfer, and select the account you'd like to transfer money from using the drop-down menu. Next, select the account you'd like to transfer the money to. Type in the amount of money you'd like to transfer and utilize the scheduling option to determine when the money gets transferred, either immediately, in the future, or recurring. Once you've scheduled a time to transfer, you can add a description in the description box for your records, or you can skip this field entirely and select Submit. After hitting Submit, you'll be asked to review the pending transfer, and once you hit Confirm, you'll be directed to a new page, where you'll hopefully see a message letting you know that your transfer was submitted and be provided a confirmation number. Keep in mind that your financial institution may most likely have limits in place when it comes to transfers, particularly external transfers, and these limits are intended to help protect you and the institution against the risk of fraud. Now that you've transferred funds into the appropriate accounts, let's go ahead and pay a bill. To start, select the Pay My Bills tab at the top of the homepage. Once redirected to the Bill Pay page, you can either search our network of companies for the bill you need to pay, or click from the 4 categories listed: utilities, phone, insurance, and credit cards. Let's search our network. We typed in Bay State Savings Bank and were shown 3 different options. Why don't we go back and search in the utilities category instead? Click Start Over, then click Utilities. Pretend you have a National Grid bill you'd like to set up bill pay for. Once you select the National Grid icon, you'll be on step 2, which asks you to enter information from your bill. Type in your National Grid account number and National Grid zip code. You can add a nickname for the account if you'd like. Click Next Step to go to step 3, which will allow you to choose how much money you want to pay and when you want to pay it. Next up, we have e-statements. E-statements are a far more convenient alternative to paper statements. and they eliminate the risk of your paper statements being delayed or lost in the mail. Equally important, e-statements are environmentally conscious, since you're not making your bank chop down a bunch of trees every month. E-statements are just one more small thing you can do to help reduce your carbon footprint over time. I like it. Signing up for e-statements is so simple. All you'll need to do is hover over the Accounts button on the homepage and select e-Documents. From there, click the View Statements icon. After reading the consent and authorization form, you'll need to enter the email you'd like to receive your e-statements on and hit Accept. If all went well, you'll see a message welcoming you to e-statements. See? It was easy, right? You know what else is easy? Mobile deposit. All you need is the check you're looking to deposit, your mobile banking app, and access to your phone's camera. Just so we're all on the same page, mobile deposit must be done using a mobile phone, not your desktop computer. Make sure you've endorsed your check and written "for mobile deposit only" on the back. Grab your smartphone and open up the Bay State Savings Bank app. Enter your user ID and password, then click Login. Select the Deposit a Check icon, then select the account you'd like the funds to be deposited into, as well as enter how much the check is for. You'll then need to hit the Front of Check image icon, and you may need to flip your phone horizontally to capture a picture. Line the check up so that it fits within the 4 green corners shown. Once the check is in the appropriate position, click the Tap for Photo message found in the center of the check. When an image is taken, you'll see a screenshot of what was captured. Click Done. Repeat this process for capturing the back of the check as well. Once you have clear pictures of both the front and back of the check, as well as filled in all the appropriate fields, you'll need to select Deposit. From there, you'll be directed to a screen letting you know that your deposit has been submitted and is being held for review. At this point, you can either deposit another check, view your deposit history, or conclude your banking activity. That's all I have for today. I hope you found this online and mobile banking tutorial helpful. Remember, these are just some of the more common things people use e-banking for. But with our platform, for example, you can also do things like building a budget, setting savings goals, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Sign yourself up for e-banking services today and experience convenience on a whole new level. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.